Kaleidoscope of light a rose on the fire, trying to cope with violent tones they conspire. Take it easy, my friend. Nature seasons amend. Body cold from finding road to survive. Brotherhood, life implodes by the wire. Take it easy, my friend. Nature seasons amend. Pain those moments.
Being a force for nature is very important to me, as it has allowed me to make a difference to my local area by getting involved in planting trees in a school project.
Moments of brokenness, I hope to be coping, but I'm folding these roads are eroding my corroded soul. It's just a shattered soul with scattered hope. What matters most, nature is nurturing me. Oh, nurturing me. Force for nature, a symbiotic favor, shifting baseline is a changer.
Force for nature is really important to me. It symbolises that we should have a symbiotic relationship with nature, that we should protect nature as nature protects us. What's really important to me is to engage with young people, to make them fall in love with nature and therefore make them realise the importance of nature for them, for our planet.
My friend, you'll get through this. The ocean reflects where the moon is. The trees follow suit, so we breathe the renewed, and beneath are the roots unpolluted. We need to find a deeper connection. We're sustained by the seas, not to mention we're intrinsically linked with the earth's on the brink. Now it's nature that needs our attention. The shifting baseline of a system change, chaos in the flow with a rhythmic cage. The symbiotic interconnectedness, our perception of the planet will affect every generation's complexion. Moments of brokenness, I hope to be coping, but I'm folding these roads are eroding my corroded soul. It's just a shattered soul with scattered hope. What matters most, nature is nurturing me. Oh,